Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see all of your old story or all of the story which you have posted on your Instagram until now from the day you created your account. But if you have deleted some stories, those stories are not going to be available, but the story which you never deleted, then I'm going to be showing you a way through which you guys can see those stories. Alright, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is click on a profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and it's going to bring you to your Instagram's profile page. Once you're over here, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner. Once you do that, all these settings will open up. From over here, make sure you choose archive. Once you choose archive at the top, make sure to click on the arrow over here and choose story archive. Once you choose story archive, all the story which you have uploaded on your Instagram until now, those are going to be shown over here, and with date and time when you uploaded them as well. Alright, so yeah, these are all the story which I uploaded on my Instagram and I never deleted them. The deleted stories are not going to be available over here. Alright, but yeah, that's how you guys can see your old stories on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.